and the fastest 5G home internet. Just look at this
Open the movies right now, about to watch Spiderman. Got my boys with
I'll
me.
even give you another
My oldest son.
T-Mobile 5G home internet is delivered same day, powered by DoorDash. They just drop that
My
sucker
youngest
right
boy.
off. America's fastest 5G network. It's just one of the reasons to choose T-Mobile. Find yours.
It wouldn't be the movies.
Wait, I
without
know you
movies,
ain't
but
seen
unwrapping
that
things up.
flame
I hope you
boy.
enjoyed our original pop culture content, games, and movie trivia.
Acting
Be
like
sure,
you
of course, to
sleep.
follow us on Instagram and TikTok.
I see him already starting to act like his older brother.
This is the time to show them everything.
I volunteer as tribute.
Katniss Everdeen
Say
is
what's up on
giving
your
them
YouTube channel.
What's up?
No one else can
We
do this.
watching.
She's the face of the revolution.
Tonight, turn your weapons to snow.
What